Hey guys, it's K'Dog and my
Avi.
yeah, we're going to do a video on her channel since I don't have any videos on my channel yet. But you should subscribe to my channel.
We'll put a link for her channel below.
Yeah. We're gonna be cooking chicken alfredo today.
Yep. And she chose to cook some chicken alfredo, so we're gonna make some chicken alfredo for her and her uncle. And mine's is gonna be minus the chicken. I gotta figure out what type of protein I'm gonna put in mine.
How come you don't like chicken? Chicken is amazing.
But I'm vegan.
Forever?
Forever.
Oh, come on.
For now.
Oh, yeah. Because you can't stay vegan forever.
Yes, you can. I'm doing really well on my vegan diet.
Oh, wow.
And I'm feeling really good without meat.
I can't imagine my life without meat.
No?
No, I cannot.
We're in Whole Foods because I haven't been to this Whole Foods in South Bend yet. And I kind of just want to see what they have for vegans. You know, we can get most of our stuff from Walmart, but if I want to find a vegan alfredo, we'll probably have to get it from here.
Yeah. So we're just gonna get our stuff here and then go to.
Hello.
Are we going to Fresh Theme?
Fresh Time, yeah. No, we'll go to Walmart probably.
Yeah. Then we're going to Walmart, and I'm pretty sure we're gonna record that if we have enough battery.
Yeah, we're running low on bats.
Yeah.
Is that what it's called? Like, am I being cool? Running low on bats?
What?
Battery bats. I'm running low on bats.
No. Are we rolling? Yeah. Okay.
Are you sure?
Yeah. We just got back out of the store of Whole Foods. It's a really cool store and it has a lot of healthy stuff in it. That's not what I'm used to. I like unhealthy stuff.
Lots of samples though.
Yeah, that cheese was disgusting. It was disgusting.
The granola was good.
Yeah, except for the aftertaste, like it tasted like tea, like that green tea that I don't like. It's not that good. I don't like that. We're heading to Fresh Time.
No, we're not gonna go to Fresh Time anymore.
I mean, Walmart. Yeah.
Yeah.
Walmart.
Because we got what we needed as far as the vegan portion of the meal for me.
Yeah. Now we need the regular person meal.
Tell me a little bit about yourself, Kennedy.
I am in the 4th grade. I like to dance and play Sims, of course.
Of course.
Yeah.
They don't know that.
I want to be a writer/dancer when I grow up. And I'm like really good at drawing somehow. She's really good at drawing too.
Thanks.
I have an internet famous mommy because she has a lot of Facebook friends. Hey guys, we're back and today now we're at the stove. We are about to start cooking. So we got our ingredients right here. And yeah, we're about to cook. As soon as Avi gets back, we're gonna do stuff. I'll be right back. Technical difficulties.
What?
Please listen to this music while we get these technical difficulties.
Technical difficulties. You want to open up a can?
Yeah. We're
I'm
back.
gonna wash the tops off.
We're back.
So since I'm not eating chicken, decided to get some white beans to mash up in my sauce as my protein.
What?
Okay, first one. gonna wash up the first chicken. We can cook it by just having really steamy hot water.
What's up, y'all? What's up, y'all? It's Lito. Lito in the building.
Sauce.
This cooking show will be more exciting in a couple of minutes.
Once we get all the food prep done, right?
Yeah.
Did you wash all that chicken?
Not yet. Look at this chicken.
That's what I'm talking about. The Westbury was already delivered.
It's so weird, right?
So, and then you guys
It's so much better cooked.
8-9.
Now, let's try it.
Get an answer?
Explain what I'm doing.
She is about to put some butter in the bell peppers and onions.
Nope, I'm not putting the bell peppers in yet.
I mean, she's gonna put butter in the pan with some onion poppers.
Onion poppers?
Ripped garlic.
Minced garlic?
Yeah.
What'd you say? Ripped?
Garlic. Yeah.
And yeah, I put a lot of butter. I want my sauce to be buttery. I use the smart balance. Basically, a whole bunch of vegetable oils.
Oh, now it smells like garlic. It smells.
They smell like garbage.
No, it smells like garlic. Here's Mr. Lito over here, doing whatever he desires. All that smoke is coming out is from the heat.
To the refrigerator?
Gross.
Blend up that butter and garlic and blend it up with the beans to a creamy consistency.
Here I just like cutting chicken.
She's over there cutting chicken.
Yeah.
Hopefully she's not cutting fingers. She's actually doing pretty good. I taught her last time when we cooked how to chop chicken. She's actually doing pretty good. I don't want nobody taking my black card, so I'm adding some Lorry's seasoned salt. And I'm actually gonna add some cheese as well. Although it already looks like it's the consistency of alfredo. Ooh, this looks so good. This is all vegan so far. Well, it's gonna be vegan. I got some regular alfredo for them. So I make another pan for them of just regular alfredo. Because this night might fill everybody up. But I'm gonna add some of this dairy-free Parmesan. It's a shredded cheese alternative made by Follow Your Heart. Parmesan, follow your heart.
Okay, guys, I'm done.
Chicken.
Okie dokie, guys. I am done with my cutting chicken.
You did a really good job.
Yeah, cut it off. Don't eat it now.
What kind of oil is that?
Regular oil.
It's olive oil.
Olive oil.
Okay, that's good.
Okay, guys. The oils are burning.
Remember, you got the chicken going too. Everything else needs to be mixed. You got to drop one in order to do the thing. You're not a pro yet. you proud of your product?
Yes, it looks very delicious. Except for the broccoli.
Are you ready to eat?
Yeah, but is it done?
Yeah, turn it off.
Off the model.
Turn it off. That's you about to turn something on. And let's get some plates going.
There is the ending result for Avi's masterpiece. Mine is still the noodles. Wait for it. Wait for it.
Bring your bowl over here.
I'm going to get it. Now, let's do this. Wait for it. Wait for it. Yes! Delicious. This is gonna be the best product I've ever made. Besides my famous chicken that I made last time.
Is it famous?
Well, it's famous.
Everybody know? We're about to try the final product.
Yup, it's probably gonna taste delicious.
Go ahead, take a bite. See your first reaction. Cut too big. Go ahead. You good?
Mm-hmm.
Good job. Let's try mine.
A little bit too much pepper.
But
it's good.
You put the whole thing of pepper in there. Mine is good too. Good job.
Thanks.
So that's been cooking with.
Okay, y'all.
Let's try that again. So that was cooking with
Okay, y'all.
and Avi, and we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.